The Bt toxin in genetically engineered Bt cotton kills the pest by creating pores in the midgut. Correct. The first option is the right answer. So this is a straightforward question and this is asked many a times. So there are few points you need to remember to attempt this question. First one, the name of the organism. So BT stands for the organism name is Bacillus. It is a bacteria. And T stands for Thuringiensis. Thuringiensis. So this is point number one, the source. Next one will be how is this produced? Why this toxin doesn't kill the bacillus? The reason is it is produced as protoxin. Protoxin is the inactive precursor form of toxin. So this will be called inactive form. Once the pest ingests, once it ingests the leaves, Bt cotton leaves, what will happen? In the gut, the pH is alkaline. So alkaline pH of gut. Very important point, okay? Because there was a question in which they changed the pH. They made it acidic pH and then they asked identify whether the statement is true or false. So you have to remember the pH is alkaline in gut and under this pH the inactive becomes toxin becomes active in alkaline pH. Toxin becomes active. So once it is active, it will bind to the epithelial cell, intestinal epithelial cells, the gut epithelial cell. And it creates pores. It creates pores. So the fluid will enter in the cell and cells will swell up. And then eventually the cell dies. And the cells die and the pest dies. Pest dies. So this is the mechanism how the toxin is insecticidal. Insecticidal. So the key points which you need to remember is the toxin is produced as protoxin and protoxin means it is in inactive form. And once the pest ingests it in the gut under alkaline pH, the toxin becomes active. And the activated toxin will bind to the epithelial cell, create pore. This eventually causes cell swelling and cell lysis, and therefore the pest dies. So here the mechanism, the pest is killed by creating pores in the midgut. That's all you need to remember about this particular topic. Thank you so much for watching my video.